Hello guys, let's make a card for Women's Day. So the first thing you'll need is some paper. The second thing you'll need is a glue stick. You will need some way to write. You can use a pen, a marker, or anything else you have. And you need a flower. First thing you want to do is take your piece of paper and fold your paper. Make sure the corners are lined up and fold it like so. Don't hit your paper like I did. The second thing is take your glue stick, put some glue in the center, and put your flower there. Now the stem sticks up a little. Let's put something there to hold it down. Let's make sure it's straight, or as straight as you can get it. And you put a sticker there. Bam. Okay, look at my card. It's kind of empty. Let's write something. I'm going to use a marker. You can use a pen, a pencil, or whatever else. And let's go ahead and draw a heart. You can draw whatever you would like, but that's enough for me. On the inside, let's write a wish. I hope you are happy and healthy. From Kai. And let's draw a few more hearts. And this should be the last one. All right, that is my card. I hope you can make one that's more beautiful. Goodbye, guys.